10 minutes makeup. Just 10 minutes. Let's get started. 10. Timer. This is the timer. Okay. This is Deck Beauty. This is oil block. First, I just applied primer cream. This one is oil block. Because if you have oily face, only primer cream is not sufficient. My beauty blender is ready. I always use 2 shades of foundation. 2 shades of foundation. This is 2 shades of foundation. This is the brighter color. Take it to the forehead. Just reserve a little bit. Brown pencil. Your brows is very important. Make sure you use brow timer. What I just used before for the brow is called brow timer. It's called brow timer. You feel it. Make sure your brows look natural. Okay, right now we are going to clean the brow. Clean out the brows. Okay. We are going to use concealer to clean up the brows. if you are in a hurry, always use one shade. When you are not in a hurry, you can use 2 shades. Use brown. Don't use bright color. Bright color will be difficult for you to blend because you are in a hurry. Spread it. Then just use your hand to blend it. Same the other side. Makeup. Don't use bright color. If you use bright color, you find it difficult to blend because you are in a hurry. Always use, when you want to do heavy makeup, full coverage makeup, you can use two color. Yeah, this is the left out of my foundation. Just use it to blend if there's any edge that is not blended at the top. Just blend. Oh, it's not okay. It's perfect. The brows are okay. Next, because we are in a hurry, I always use this is my pressed powder. I use my pressed powder. I use the brighter color. This shade is brighter than my color. Just use it to calm the set. This area are light with the brighter color foundation. Then this is my shade. Just use it. Then you stretch. Okay. How many minutes left? So this edge, I always use blend it. Blend it with a small brush. Okay. When I am in a rush, I use my setting powder. Close your eyes. Setting powder. Same setting powder to do the edge. Okay. Done. Then next, I use. Sorry, how many minutes left? I use this brighter color for this edge. And this edge. Okay. So because we are in a hurry, this is eyeliner. And use it to do under your eye. And the upper side. Okay, don't forget your mascara. Okay, 20 seconds left right now. Lipstick. Done. I am done. I am done. Where is the timer? I am done. You spray. Close your eyes and spray. Okay. Done. As you can see, 10 minutes. I look even less than 10 minutes. Thank you. Thank you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more video. If you want to learn how to do heavy makeup, the natural makeup, fast makeup, like this makeup, you see, I just put the timer. This makeup was done just 10 minutes, even less than 10 minutes. Yes, if you want to know how to do the step-by-step makeup, bridal makeup, traditional bridal makeup, we have different type of makeup. I have all different type of makeup on my YouTube channel. Yes, Deg Beauty. Subscribe. Follow me on my Instagram. Follow me on my Facebook, Deg Beauty. Thank you. See you on my next video. Bye.